Everyone thinks the best-selling guitar multi-effects pedals are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Zoom G1X4. First up is the Zoom G1X4. Priced at $119.99, this pedal grabbed my attention with its impressive feature set. If you want a rich variety of sounds and the ability to practice anywhere, this is worth a serious look. The G1X4 boasts 71 built-in effects and 13 amp models, allowing you to create everything from crystal-clear tones to heavy distortion. Plus, the 30-second looper is a game-changer for songwriting or just jamming alone. You can layer riffs in real time, which really enhances your practice sessions. And with 68 built-in rhythm patterns, it feels like you have a full band backing you up. Now, I did notice some users complain about the interface being a bit overwhelming at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, the creative possibilities are pretty much endless. If you're willing to invest some time in learning, this pedal can really shine. This is perfect for you if you're a guitarist looking for tons of effects without breaking the bank. But skip this if you prefer a simple plug-and-play experience. Now, if the G1X4's complexity gives you pause, this next option from MOOER might just be your ideal fit. Product number 2, MOOER GE100. Next, we have the MOOER GE100, which is priced at $95.99. Right off the bat, its compact design and array of effects caught my eye. If you're after an easy-to-use pedal with plenty of presets, this one's worth considering. With 80 preset patches and 66 effects, the GE100 allows for a rich sound palette right out of the box. You can save your favorite tones with just a press of the save button, making it super convenient. The 180-second looper and built-in drum machine let you create music without needing a computer, which is perfect for practice. Plus, the ability to adjust parameters with the expression pedal adds even more versatility. However, some users have reported that the sound quality can be a bit lacking compared to higher-end models. But here's the thing, for its price, it still delivers a solid performance. If you're a beginner or intermediate player, it's a great way to experiment without a huge investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly multi-effects pedal that's simple to use. But skip this if you need studio-quality sound in a live setting. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who crave more flexibility. Product number 3, MOOER GE150 Pro. Now let's check out the MOOER GE150 Pro, priced at $149. This pedal caught my eye with its professional features and sleek design. If you want something that feels premium without a hefty price tag, this is definitely worth a look. The GE150 Pro comes loaded with 200 presets and 170 effects, including 55 amp models and 26 cab simulations. The 4-foot switch layout allows for incredible flexibility during live performances, letting you switch between different patches seamlessly. Plus, it even has USB OTG recording capabilities, making it perfect for quick recordings on the go. Some users have found the learning curve a bit steep, especially with the vast array of options available. But honestly, once you get it set up, it's a powerful tool for any guitarist looking to broaden their sonic horizons. This is perfect for you if you're a performer who needs a wide range of sounds at your fingertips. But skip this if you're just starting out and want something simpler. Now, if the GE150 Pro's complexity is a bit much for you, the next product is a fantastic alternative. Product number 4, VALETON GP200. Next up is the VALETON GP200 with a price tag of $329. This one is a bit more of an investment, but it really impressed me with its extensive effects library. If you're serious about your sound and need a pedal that can do it all, this one's worth considering. The 4.3-inch TFT color display makes navigating through effects super easy, and the adjustable signal chain lets you customize your setup to fit your style. Plus, the MIDI support allows for greater control over your live performances. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for travel, which may deter some players. However, if you're primarily using it in a studio setting or for live shows, The sound quality and flexibility definitely make it a worthwhile choice. This is perfect for you if you're a professional musician looking to cover a wide range of sounds. But skip this if you're looking for something compact and easy to take on the road. Finally, if the advanced features of the GP200 sound great but are too complex, the last product might just be the solution you need. Product number 5, SONICAKE Pocket Master. Last but not least, we have the SONICAKE Pocket Master, priced at an incredibly affordable $56.99. I was honestly surprised by how much this compact pedal offers. If you need something portable and budget-friendly, this is a fantastic option. The Pocket Master features over 100 built-in effects and 20 legendary amp models. The USB audio interface and Bluetooth capabilities make it easy to connect to your devices for recording or jamming along with your favorite tracks. Plus, the built-in rechargeable battery means you can take it anywhere without worrying about power. However, some users have pointed out that the sound quality isn't as rich as more expensive options. But here's the thing, for its price point, it provides excellent value and is perfect for practice or casual use. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a portable option for on-the-go playing. But skip this if you're looking for studio-level sound quality. Now that we've gone through these 5 options, you've got a solid understanding of what's out there. So we've explored 5 great guitar multi-effects pedals today. The Zoom G1 X4 is excellent for those seeking variety, while the MOOER GE100 offers an easy start for beginners. The GE150 Pro is perfect for serious players wanting flexibility, and the VALETON GP200 is a powerhouse for advanced musicians. Finally, the SONICAKE Pocket Master is a fantastic budget option for those who want something portable.